Hello, action figure fans. Maybe I should put the camera closer. Right here we have the sumo stress. This is a stress ball. The sumo logic. You see there. This one was $1 each. These I got 3 of them. The lady was her vendor's location at the Berryessa flea market was close to the bathroom, the men and women's bathroom. And I told my dad, yo, we should go over there and see if they have any action figures. They didn't know what action figures were, or what kind, and I said wrestling. They said no, we have other stuff like stuff to hold your smartphone on the wall, like a lever, like a little L, like this. You put your smartphone here, and the plug goes into the wall like this. But I got these for $1 each. Got the sumos, stress ball sumos. And next I got this one for $3. It's a Spawn. I don't know his real name, but he has like those Indian boots, moccasins. I think it's a Native American Spawn. I guess it's a arrow. Goes right arrow. Something's missing right there. I don't know what it is. And there's a Spawn. It looks like I don't know. What's that guy's name? Evil Ernie from Iron Maiden. I don't know his name. He does have articulation on his hands. His wrists move like this. That one moves too. Like that is bended at the elbows. There's a signature Spawn face mask. Kind of like a Ultimate Warrior. He has these little pegs right here on both sides of his legs. Not sure what those do. Gotta look this guy up. It's like moccasins. Wear the Indian boots. It's like a Spawn figure. $3 for this one. Next, yesterday I went to Walmart and I got Ruby Riot with 2 T's. She has tattoos on her body. I went back and actually got her because there were like 2 of these left. She has a makeup on. Real beautiful, real cute, real attractive, sexy. The back shows Ruby Riot, Tony Nessie, Finn Balor, alias Ultimate Warrior. And this is Series 98, Ruby Riot. Look at her nose. Tattoos. Is that chest tattoo? Is that elephant or what? Real cute. Yeah. $10 for this one. And last, oh yeah, I got these. I paid $8 for a pound of Mexican peanuts. They're spicy. They have like a tart to them. They have samples, and you get the samples, and you buy for whatever you want. They can mix them up. But I paid $8. I gave some to my dad, a cup of these. He got a cup from here. So I paid $8 for a pound. They're like spicy, and I don't know what's paprika, but seasoning. $8 for a pound. Check out this gun. There's a holster, a band that goes over your shoulder. If you hold the trigger, it does this. Check it out. Check it out in there. Paid $6 for it. It has the batteries right there. You change the batteries right there. It's from Asian guy sold it to me. He had toys. There was another one. They had several guns, rifles, like semi-automatics or whatever. I don't know what they're called. But this is this one. I'll probably to give this away to my nephews or my niece so they can play with it. And you see where it holds on to the, it's like a clip right there. See that right there and that side. It has the bullets, golden bullets. Pretty cool. $6 for this one. Number 3302. Made in Shantou, China. It's a real cool toy. So yeah, I got the sumos. The lady goes, yeah, I got some balls that are real stress balls. These balls are real stress, he said. They have a cube, like where you throw the cube, and it goes like it's like a dice. Like that. But these caught my eye because they look like figures. Sumo. So those $6, $8 here, and the gun was $6. So let's see, 6, 12 plus 8. 20, all this stuff right here on the table, $20, and I paid $10 for this one at Walmart, so $30 total. That's what I spent in 2 days. It was I bought this up about her. My parrot bit me. I'll see if I can post a video where she bit me. And it's dirty because I had a burrito right now. I had beans that they didn't wrap it up right. You can see her hair, how her hair goes up. Yeah. Well guys, thanks for watching my video. Comment, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. Let's bite my pinky. She wants to bite my pinky. There you are. Ow, 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 ow. See, they bite hard. Look in the camera. Look in the camera. You are dangerous. You are dangerous. Okay. Look at you. Look at you. Talk.